In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send API key headers in Retool. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable setup, so every request you make from Retool includes the right authentication automatically, without you copying and pasting headers over and over. First, open Retool and head to the Resources section. Resources are where you centralize connection details for things like REST APIs, so your apps and queries can reuse them. Creating a resource for your API is the best way to keep your headers consistent and avoid mistakes across different modules. Create a new resource and choose REST API. This tells Retool you're connecting to a web service using standard HTTP requests. You'll see fields for the base URL and for headers. The base URL should be the root of your API, not a single endpoint. For example, use something like https API yourservice.com v1 and let your individual queries add the specific paths later. Keeping it at the root helps keep things organized and reduces the chance of hard-coding paths in multiple places. Now, in the headers section, add your API key header. Most APIs expect either an authorization header using the bearer scheme or a custom header such as API key. If your API uses bearer tokens, set the key to authorization and the value to bearer your API key, making sure there's a space after bearer. If your API uses a custom header, set the key to API key and the value to your API key. Only use the header your API expects. You don't need both unless your provider specifically requires it. If you're unsure, check your API's documentation for the exact header name and format, including any case sensitivity. A quick tip for teams: avoid placing real keys in shared places and consider using Retool's secure storage features or environment-based values so you can rotate keys easily and keep different keys for development and production. Also, double-check for extra spaces or typos in header names. Small mistakes can cause unauthorized errors. Once you've saved the resource, Retool will include those headers in every request that uses this resource. That means any query you build against this resource automatically sends the correct authentication, keeping your app secure and saving you time. If you ever need to update the key, change it once in the resource and every request will pick up the new value. That's it. You've configured a REST API resource in Retool with API key headers that apply to all your requests, ensuring a reliable and maintainable setup.